Hi guys, welcome back to Little Mukbang. I'm Little Mukbang, and for today's video we have a delicious set, or I guess you could say stack, of strawberry cheesecake pancakes, homemade, my favorite pancakes hands down. So maybe you're asking how I made them homemade, maybe you don't care. But what I did was I actually bought one of those like quick cheesecakes instead of making a real cheesecake. I bought one of those quick ones because they were going to be putting pancakes anyway. And what I did was I froze it. And then so overnight what happened is after it froze, I went ahead and cut a slice out. And what I do is I cut the slice that I cut out into like cheesecake bites. And then as I'm making my pancake batter, I go ahead and I love the strawberry slices. And as I'm making the pancake batter, I go ahead and put the strawberries into the, what am I saying? After I make the pancake batter, I went ahead and put the cheesecake bites into the batter as I cook it. And this is, as you can see, this is the pancakes. They're super fluffy, super good. I love them. I have done this recipe before. And what I can do is, I can always do a video of me making this, and I also have some orange juice because this is a breakfast. I can do a video of me making this. It's super quick, super simple, and super easy, and it's a fun twist on pancakes when you're tired of doing like maybe blueberry or peanut butter. Love orange juice. And I have some strawberry syrup as well as maple syrup. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some maple syrup on it. Ooh! It goes out really fast. I'm just gonna slowly, okay. Maple syrup is on it. And then I'm gonna put the strawberry syrup just to give it that kind of strawberry flavor for the syrup. I don't have anything fun like whipped cream. I wish I did. But let's go ahead and take the first bite. What you'll find in the pancake is they're super fluffy and gooey with the cheesecake bites. They kind of cook down, but kind of still keep their shape. It's so good. I love it. You can go to IHOP and you can pay like $10 for a 4-stack of these, or you can buy some pancake batter, make a quick at-home cheesecake, and have strawberry cheesecake pancakes and little, if you wanted, maybe you can eat a slice of cheesecake too. I love these pancakes. Hopefully everybody's doing their part to social distance. Because it's really real out here. I mean, seriously. Millions are without jobs. I'm sure millions will be homeless. I'm addicted to that. Because of being jobless, it's a really tough time for a lot of people. Being able to enjoy this is so good. Like, some stuff has been stressing me out to the max. And this is just a good little sweet treat. Makes me feel good. You can see the melted cheesecake bites and stuff in there. This is about 1, 2. This is like 5 pancakes. Okay, summer body coming, 2020. It's on the way. These pancakes are super good though. The strawberries. With the pancakes is just so good. This probably be the first and like only thing I'll end up eating today. I haven't been eating a lot because I'm so stressed. I'm happy I'm able to do the YouTube videos and it kind of just helps me forget about it all. Just focus on like eating, making a video. It's not too complicated. The pancakes are seriously awesome. I mean, if I can make them like this, I don't even need to go for my help. I don't mind making them. Pancakes are super quick. But I am getting super full. So, the orange juice is wow. I love the orange juice. It's all gone. I'm just gonna keep eating. Just look at that. Yummy, yum, yum. I'm just gonna keep eating to forget. I think I upset my belly. That's all for the video then, because I drank all my orange juice and the pancakes are gone. So, anyway, I'm gonna end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If not, maybe someone just laughed. Okay.